In this example you see on the screen, we isolated one of the facades of the building and run a Dynamo script inside FormIt to explore different computational design studies. The Dynamo script allowed me to create this distribution of shading devices, and discloses the parameters and the inputs needed for the scripts. Using those sliders, input sliders, you can generate multiple design options, save those options as different models, and explore and enhance your design option in an intuitive environment, and then send this result back to Revit. The send to Revit will capture the FormIt geometry and will place it in the specific location in the Revit environment where you can manipulate the visibility using the view controls. So this is another workflow that will enhance the designer ability to work conceptually across multiple platforms using the cloud as a connecting tissue between them.